In this video, I'll be showing you how to create a customized WhatsApp link for your business. So you come to your browser. I'm using Google as my browser, and I'll type create.wa.link. It brings me here, and then I scroll up and I tap on create a free wa.link, and it brings me here, and I input my phone number. So here I can add my customized message. This is the part where whatever message I put here is what my customers will see when they click on the link. So I can say something like, hello, I am interested in your products that I saw on TikTok. Yeah, so this is it, and then I can generate my wa.link. So if I copy this link and paste it in anywhere, when my customers click on the link, they would automatically, so tap on copy link, they will automatically see my message. So let us try that. Let us use the browser. Let me paste the link and see what it comes up with. So this is what they see. Hello, I'm interested in your product that I saw on TikTok.